Yo, what's happening, guys? Super excited about this one. The all-new JP-13.2 Class AB monster. I'm so excited to open this thing up and show it to you. But before that, my name is Jonathan Price, owner and operator of downforsoundshop.com and this YouTube channel, which is two of the fastest growing things in car audio. If you will, hit that subscribe button and enable notifications so you know every time we drop a video, and you'll get it sent to your inbox and you'll be able to check it out first. All right, so let's get this bad boy opened up. The hype for this amplifier, you know, in business, sometimes you get stuff wrong. I 100% was wrong about this amplifier. Jacob Scott, he told me, he's like, man, I want to do this big JP-13.2, this big monstrous Class AB amp. And I'm like, man, this thing isn't gonna sell, bro. I'm not interested in that. Our following is just bass heads. Man, was I wrong. This has been the hottest selling amplifier that we offer. A beast of an amplifier. So let's get it opened up. All right, so on the back of it, you can see limited edition release 1 through 100. So there's only 100 of these, and we aired over, I think, 15 of them, and before they even arrived, those were sold out. When we got the container in on this Monday, which was the 23rd, I think, people have been buying these. One guy in Hawaii bought 9. Like, tons of people buying 4 and 5 of them. I'm like, what? Why? Like, what are you doing with these things? But that's not for me to, I guess, know. It's just crazy to me that people are so hyped up about these golden era amplifiers. So let's go over this JP-13.2 Class AB, 14.4 on the ratings. RMS power at 1 ohm. It's going to give you 1300 by 2 is going to be the ratings. And also we're going to be having this, I actually sent one of the ones that came in over to Big D, Williston Audio Lab, so he can do the review and give you all the dyno numbers and everything like that. So these are our posted numbers. If you have learned anything about our posted numbers, they are underrated by a tiny amount. So RMS power at 2 ohms is 910 watts by 2. RMS power at 2 ohm bridge, 2300 watts RMS. So let's open this bad boy up. Again, Class AB technology is known for clarity. Tons of people use it in sound quality competitions. Got our little love letter here. Relive the golden era of car audio. Any of my old school bass heads, this probably brings back a lot of memories. Y'all ain't ready for this. They ain't ready for it, I'm telling you. Look at this beast of an amplifier. Wow. So on this one we did a wired remote. It has all the features. You also get the Allen keys and adjustment screwdriver. Your I think it's Cat 5 or Cat 6 bass head. Bass knob cable. But nobody cares about that. What they really care about is this insanely big Class AB amplifier. So let me scoot this out of the way. Listen, look how big this thing is. he had to back up like 5 feet to get the whole thing in the video. This thing is a monster. It's insane how monstrous this amp is, and the videos do it no justice. The color on it. Whew. What a beast. What a beast of an amplifier. And it's heavy too. Just like the rest of the amps. We gotta make sure we got good heat sinks on there. So I'm gonna show you the front of it first. So it looks like this one is number 82. We're probably, I would say, we're definitely gonna sell it before this. If there's still some in stock by the time you see this video, you better grab one, because these things are going, again, faster than any of the other amplifiers that we offer. So if you want a monstrous Class AB amp, do not sleep on this. They will not last long. Alright, so on this end, we're going to show you the crossover network. So we got the Tiffany style RCA connections, the heavy duty ones, just like on the big mono blocks, are 33, 43, 63, and 83. Starting over here, you got your power protecting clip, you got your gain, you got your high pass filter here. Oh yeah, people were asking, do you use that for mids or subs or what? It can be either one. So you can use this for, a lot of people use it for your mids and high setup, so you have very clean signal, but you can also use it for subwoofers as well. So you got your low pass filter, high pass filter, bass boost, bass frequency, then obviously your remote out for your bass knob. Flip this bad boy around. Again, this is quote unquote a 3,000 watt amplifier. So we got single 0 gauge inputs here, 8 gauge on the outputs here. Look at this beautiful amplifier. Again, plexiglass back, just like we do. And you may notice a crazy amount of fans on here. Why is that? Well, Class AB amplifiers tend to get and run super hot. So what do you do to try to fix that? Add some ventilation, some airflow, a heavy duty heat sink, and high quality components. So we got a fan here, fan here. This is like a 4-inch fan here, maybe a 2.5, and another one down here. Again, this amplifier is a beautiful, beautiful amplifier. If you're looking for something that's going to give you the ultimate in sound quality, look no further than this JP13.2. Again, if you happen to see this video and we haven't sold out yet, consider yourself lucky and do not wait. We offer 4 different types of same as cash financing options, so you can take advantage of getting one like this, because once they're out, 1 through 100, again, just 100 of these, so you're going to own a piece of history. We are going to get another run made. We're going to do a V2, maybe in a different color. I was thinking maybe purple or chrome. What do you think? Which color would you like to see the V2 be? Purple or chrome? Comment below on which one you would say. Oh, also, we're able to offer you this amplifier for less than $1,000. Less than $1,000. $849 for this beast of an amplifier is unheard of on this introductory pricing. If you happen to get it before introductory pricing ends, $849. If you miss it, it's going to be $999, but still $1,000 less than everybody else thought that it was going to cost. Let me show you the bass knob real quick and we'll conclude this video. Again, it's just like our other, like the JP23 bass knob, JP8, JP95 bass knob. So it's going to have the connection in the back, down for sound logo on the bottom, and you got your voltage, temperature in Celsius and Fahrenheit, power, protect, clip, and temperature, and then your potentiometer here, your bass adjustment knob. One of the complaints, we listen to you when you purchase our products, and we hear a lot of people saying the same thing. One of the things that people complain about the most is, like, the only complaint that we usually get is that the power on light on this thing, that blue light, is way too bright. Because a lot of people mount it on their dash, so it's kind of like this, so it's shining like right up in their eye. So we hear you, and on all the future built amplifiers that we're coming out with, we have dimmed it down 50%. So it still should illuminate enough to obviously know that it's on, but it won't be so bright where it's like pissing you off and blinding you like cop lights when you try to drive by them. So anyway, we heard you, we made the changes, so the future amplifiers will have a dimmer power on light. See what the length of it is coming in at. That looks good on that side. So with the terminals, you're looking at 35 1/4. 35 1/4 wide. And then we'll go ahead and do the height here. It should be, let's see, yeah, 2 3/4, just like the other amplifiers. And then on the width, let me turn it so y'all can see it. On the width, we're looking at 9 1/2, 9 3/4, somewhere in there. So now you got the measurements, and again, if you want to find these details, you can go in the description and click on the link. You can pick this up at downforsoundshop.com by clicking on the link in the description below. Greatly appreciate your support, and I'm humbled to know that there's so many people out there into sound quality and amplifier like this. So who knows, we might look into doing something else with sound quality. This was just getting our feet wet with it. But anyway, appreciate your support. If you need anything, if you have any questions regarding car audio, you're more than welcome to post them in the comment section below. Or if you want to give us a call, you can do that as well at 702-701-9800. Again, that's 702-701-9800. Or you can email sales@downforsoundshop.com. If it's outside of business hours, that would be your best bet. You can always go on the website and click what's happening, guys. If y'all enjoyed all the hot content that you saw in that video, be sure to follow me on YouTube, Facebook, TikTok, Instagram under the Life of Peice, and also Down for Sound Shop on Facebook and Instagram. And don't forget Snapchat. I'm JPD4S on there, so be sure to check me out there. We'll see you in the next one. Later.